Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PayPal 1099 forms in the US step by step clearly. To download your PayPal 1099 forms in the US, start by logging into your PayPal account. Visit the official PayPal website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Activity tab located at the top of the page. Click on the Activity tab to open your transaction history. Next, locate the Statements option. This can usually be found on the right side of your activity page. Click on Statements, and then select Tax Documents from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to a new page showing available tax documents. Look for the 1099K form if you have received payments that meet the threshold. These forms are usually available for the tax year that just ended. Select the appropriate year to access your 1099 form. After choosing the year, click on the download link for the 1099K form. Your form will then begin to download as a PDF file. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Open the PDF to review your payment information. Make sure all the details are accurate before using the form for your taxes. If you need any further assistance, return to the PayPal Help Center for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.